Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, do you want to score 550 plus in the upcoming May MAT examination? Learn to Lead Academy, we are introducing a 10 days crash course which is going to be started from 22nd of May. Those who are planning to take their June 4th CBT, you can join this 10 days crash course and score 550 plus in the upcoming MAT examination. And in this 10 days crash course, we are going to give you the shortcuts and also we are going to discuss the previous Feb and May MAT question papers and its shortcuts. Those who want to improve their score from 400 to 600 plus, definitely join this 10 days crash course. It will be very helpful to improve your scores. If you want to enroll for this 10 days crash course, kindly enroll through the link provided in the description box. And also you can contact 887-0046080 for direct admissions. All the best students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who